Mazi Nnamdi Kanu defended himself in court today and make a point of what Nigeria government and Justice Binta Nyako are trying the fair game they're trying to play on his case. If you see wetin Mazi Nnamdi Kanu tell Justice Binta Nyako direct in korokoro eyes for inside court, omo, you go know say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don go beyond these people wey hold am. Even the man is not even care about whether they live am, but he want to prove to them and tell them that this fair game and fair play that you people want to do to Biafrans is not gonna work with you guys. We are going to look into the videos, serious video that you need to watch today. This video is going to make your day. If you are a true Biafra, or if you are true Igbo, or if you are for justice, this video is going to make your day when watching it. I'm going to play this video for you to watch, but before we dive into this video, please make sure you share and subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss it immediately. And don't forget to notification bell so that anytime where you will upload any video, go be the first person we're gonna get our update. Okay, let us look into what happened in court today. That Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is seeking for them to revoke his former bail condition, trying to explain to them that he was in his house when the Nigerian army come to buy him. Unfortunately, he escaped. They did not get him to buy him. So now he's back. And not be say he's back, they go kidnap her for inside Kenya, come back to Nigeria. And according to the law of Nigeria, you no go fit a try person where you go kidnap, come back. You have to follow due process before you go fit. So he even tell them, they say they be terrorists for inside the court. This is what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said inside the court. I'm going to play the video for you to watch, and before we come back and continue, just stay tuned and watch this video.
Terrorism Prohibition and Prevention Act says I cannot be tried in Nigeria. That's the law of Nigeria. Yes. I can never be tried in any court of law in Nigeria. That's what the law says. Anybody standing in trial or coming to try me is a terrorist. That's what their law says. Not me. As simple as that. Section 2, subsection 3F of Terrorism Prevention and Prohibition Act. That's what it says. Any court considered to try me is committed an act of terrorism. Yes. Very clear. You cannot violate a treaty that Nigeria entered into and then come to try that very person. Is not done anywhere in the world. So you must be aware of that. So that is why there is all these ridiculous delays. That is what Supreme Court said. I did not jump bail. My home was invaded. They came to kill me and I survived. They came to Kenya to kidnap me, brought me back to this country and seeking to try me, which the law says cannot happen. You cannot violate a treaty that Nigeria entered into and then hope to stand on that illegality to conduct a trial. Is not done anywhere in the world. I'm having in my case. Nobody has, there's no exception. No exception whatsoever. That's what the law says. Section 12 of the Constitution, what does it say? Any treaty ratified by Nigeria becomes law. It's law. You cannot change it. It doesn't matter what they do. All these shenanigans is just pure rubbish. You never stand. Not with me. I believe in justice and fairness, that's all.
Nigeria signed to extradite, not to rendition.
But that's what you wrote. You said here, my lord, that the defendant has now applied for bail. Now, as I've said earlier, bail is a discretion of the court, taking into consideration all the conditions laid down in Muhammad Abacha v. State. At this stage, I am of the opinion that to make or take a stand on the bail application without first hearing and determining the issue that is glaring in the face, which is the absence of the defendant from the court since 25th of April 2017 until he was produced on the 29th of June. My lord, which was exactly what the Supreme Court did. They said that he did not jump bail. These criminals came to my house to kill me. That's what the Supreme Court said. This is in your own court, my lord. So I cannot understand, my lord, why my trial will be conducted contrary to the Constitution of Nigeria that said I must have free and unfettered access to my counsel. Is here. This is the law.
And this is the message we'll get for Justice Mr. Yako for this particular statement that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu make. This woman has nothing against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, but the federal government, and which is the persecutor of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, those who don't want Biafra to be free, are the ones who are holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But you are a judge. Make a history. I want somebody to come aside from Nigeria and leave a legacy. Do you know that why people valued legacy more than money you see? Check the number of people that have lived a legacy in Western world. Let me see, in Europe, in America. You see, many people are living a legacy. Why can't you people stand and live a legacy, even though you lead you dead? But you people should be trying to live a legacy. What are you going to gain by working with federal government and you are sitting as a judge to rule on Mazi Nnamdi case? You want to jail him. What are you going to gain by doing that? Instead of to leaving a legacy behind, that the Biafrans will say that Justice Mr. Yako refused and said that this man committed no crime and he have to be free. Yes, you have the power to do it. And what is holding you? Because they are pressuring you. Because they have hold you on one way or the other. But let me tell you something. Biafra fought for those who fought for them. This is one thing you get to understand. If you are in this Nnamdi Kanu case and federal the persecutors are trying to make you to work against Nnamdi Kanu, let me tell you something. Biafra fights for those who fight for them. And another message for those of you who want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, anytime you go to court and come back, he started dancing, you are happy that he did not release him today, so that all the evils will be continue going on. This is the message for you. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will surely one day come outside, and that day is your last day. This is a clear message. It's better you remove that akongwe nofe before you become akamad. And this is a message if those who are working against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu release. Remove that akongwe nofe now before it turn to akamadu. This is a very big message. If you like, take them. If you don't like, take them. There's one adage or parable that Igbos always say that intento also keji abara enyukwo, that is intent also keji agba enyu also. You understand? Means that when a big bull, is coming after you, as a big man you don't just run bam. You just make a step before you start running. So it's very you be wise if you are those people who are working against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu release. Right? Make a small move and disappear, so that you will not disappear in shame. Because you people knows quite clear at Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you can't kill him. You cannot kill him, but he will definitely be out one day. Ohamadike, one of Ndigbo, keep doing what you are doing. You see, his man is not even care whether you hold him again or don't hold him. But a man that can stand in a public of in his persecutor court to tell them their constitution, to teach them their constitution. Do you think that such a person is afraid? It's not a coward. It's a truly hero of Ndigbo. And it's a hard time that Igbos wake up and defend Mazi Nnamdi Kanu at all costs. That is now. I mean, now it's a high time. My people, share this video and make sure you follow this page for more updates as it dey hot.